Welcome to Bortle8 Astro, a channel dedicated to the amazing hobby of astrophotography. My name is Ole and I'm based in Oslo, Norway, where I have to fight light pollution and other challenges while trying to capture the beauty of the night sky. But despite these obstacles, I'm passionate about sharing my love of astrophotography with others and helping beginners get started and improve on this hobby. On this channel, you'll find a variety of tutorials and reviews to help you get the most out of your astrophotography gear. From tips on how to better polar align your mount to editing in PixInsight and what you should consider before buying your equipment. I know that astrophotography can be a daunting hobby to get into, especially if you're just starting out. That's why I aim to make my content fun, easygoing and inspiring. I want to show you that anyone can do it and that with a little bit of patience and practice you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. But that's not all. Every month I also host an astrophotography challenge where you can submit your best shot for a chance to win a €100 gift card from telescopeexpress.de, a leading retailer for all your astrophotography needs. It's a great way to stay motivated and see your progress over time. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I invite you to join me on this journey and explore the wonders of the night sky through the hobby of astrophotography. See you on the channel.